Hi there folks, it's Friday. Hope you're having a good one. It's been an interesting week at the workshop here. Had a few interesting vehicles in. So let's take a look. So folks, we have what is known as a stump grinder. Belongs to the same chappie who has the Land Rover. He fiddles with trees and things, and this thing is actually used for, once they've cut a tree down, you can literally grind the stump down to below ground level. So it's an interesting piece of machinery, powered by this little delightful V-twin. It's about 725cc, made by Kohler. I don't know if you can see the little tag there, and it's a bit poorly. It seems that one cylinder isn't happy. I've had the camera down the plug hole and had a bit of a look, so I'll show you that now. I also did a compression test, but I didn't really get a very good reading. However, looking down the cylinder, I think we do have issues, possibly rings, I don't know. So it's going to be here for a little while I sort it out. Just need to move it. Let's put it next to his dead tractor, eh? So, having a quick look over this thing, I've got a feeling the cylinders are part of the main engine casting block, crankcase. So no quick piston ring change if that's the issue. Anyway, I suppose next I'll get the cylinder heads off and take a look, but not today. Well folks, it's 24 hours later pretty much, and after a busy day in the workshop I was going to go home, but decided that I'd just like to find out why this little Kohler engine is lacking compression. As you can see, there was a mark in the bore as well, which is never good, but can we keep the show on the road cheaply? Let's take a look folks. So with a few parts removed folks, this is the cylinder I was looking down, and up at the top here there was a definite score mark, and when you look around this edge here there's a blown head gasket. That's the head. So I better order a pair of head gaskets. Hi there folks, got a Unimog in today, bit of a bodge video shall we say. Got a hole in the exhaust, so let's go take a look. So this is a little baby Unimog Landstar. You can see in there folks, but we've got a hole in the exhaust and another hole in the exhaust down there. and generally the exhaust is knackered. But the owner just asked if I could, how should I say, do a quick bodge just to keep the show on the road. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fit a flexi pipe. Yay! Hello. Just waiting for the air pressure to build up. Yes, it's got an air leak. Handbrake release. That'll do then. Close. Not exactly off-roading, folks. Making sure that exhaust pipe doesn't rub. About as off-road as it gets, folks. Well, that'll do for today's bodge on the exhaust, folks. I don't know if you can see that, but you just put a piece of pipe across for now, because it's going to leak there shortly. What it wants is a proper pipe making, ideally in stainless, but that's not for today. Exciting things. Well, not really, just a bodge. So I think now I'm going to have a cuppa, and next I'm going to go do some painting in the museum. Hi there folks, it's Friday. Hope you're having a good one. It's been an interesting week at the workshop here. Had a few interesting vehicles in. So let's take a look. So we're now on Friday and we've got both heads off this stump grinder. Definite signs of the gasket blowing, and the other one was on its way. So got some parts coming for this one. We've also been making some progress in the museum. Let's go take a look. I was here with the bearded bodger Ian last night, and we got a coat of paint on the walls after finally getting some green paint, and as you can see it looks patchy, very patchy. So it's Friday and nothing really spoiling in the workshop, so looks like I'm doing some painting. Well folks, just giving it a second coat. You want to take a look? So there it is folks. That's one end done. What do you think? Well folks, it's now Saturday and the green paint is dry, so let's take a look. You ready for this folks? How's about that? So the green paint has successfully dried and looking rather neat. Also now we've got the pretend curtains up just to disguise the fact that we have a lack of windows. What a transformation, eh? What a transformation. Well folks, a bit of a random week, which I thought I'd share that with you. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing and all that jazz. Catch you on the next one.